Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You start by preparing the image so OCR can extract reliable text. Use a high-resolution, well-lit photo, crop tightly around text, and deskew the page. Once done, denoise and boost contrast to make characters distinct. Select an OCR that outputs text plus per-word confidence and supports multiple scripts. You do this because garbage in yields garbage out. Better input raises OCR accuracy and gives the language detector more substance to work with, reducing false positives early in the pipeline. Run OCR and extract raw text along with word-level confidence and bounding boxes. Next, normalize. Remove OCR artifacts, convert similar punctuation, and optionally strip or normalize diacritics so language models see canonical forms. Once done, group tokens by block or line to preserve context. If you have few words, compute character engrams or script frequency counts, because these capture distinctive patterns for languages with small vocabularies. Make sure to record OCR confidence so you can later weigh low-confidence text less in the detector. Now feed the normalized text into your language detector. Prefer models that use character engrams and handle short inputs or allow multi-label outputs. Interpret the detector score and set a confidence threshold. If the top language is marginal, return the top 2 or flag for manual review. Once done, combine detector output with OCR confidence and script heuristics, for example, Cyrillic versus Latin, to finalize the result. If things go wrong, reprocess the image with stronger preprocessing or increase OCR quality and rerun detection to fix noise-driven errors.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.